In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install pip in Python 3.14.7. So if I go into this command prompt here, you need to write there Python, then go on this Python org site. Let's go on this download, then you can see here Python 3.14.7 for Windows is there. So let's click this. So here you can see file that's downloaded. Let's go to this file here. So when you choose this option here, you can get this Python exe file with ideally and pip. And if you select this option, then you can also get their pip. If that check, then you can get their pip. Or here, first option that's trying, you select this tools, then clicking this install now. So this is now installing Python 3.14.7 development libraries. Currently this is installing, and with this you can also get their pip and other required or important packages. So this here currently using the Windows operating systems. So Python 3.14.7 that's recently launched. And here you can see this is documentation currently installing, and within few or currently this is installing their TCL TK support. So this here you can see pip is now installing. Pip bootstrap 64-bit operating system, this is now installing. So when here you can see pip is now currently installing inside your Windows machine by using the Python 3.14.7. So this done here. After that, let's open the command prompt. Now let's use their CLS. So if I write there pip minus minus version, so you can see 26.21 that install. If I write there pip 3 minus minus version, so you can see this. So pip 3 and pip that install. So here if you want to check there where pip, so pip exe file at this location. Okay, so since path that has been setted so that this returning. And now if I check their Python minus minus version, so you can see Python 3.14.7 that install. So this is how we can do the installation of pip inside the Python 3.14.7. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.